Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned on Discord, okay? So maybe you've been IP banned or just banned from a Discord server. So I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and actually get back into that server again, okay? Even if you're IP banned. So what you're going to want to do is make sure you've logged out of Discord and you're going to want to create a new account, okay? So just put in your email, your username, your password, etc. Create a new account, and then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to, after you've made the new account, is go ahead and use a VPN to change your IP location, and then you'll be able to go back into the Discord server that you were originally banned from, okay? So the VPN that I would recommend to you is IP Vanish, and the reason being is they have some pretty good deals on most of the time. It's as low as $5 a month, or if you pay yearly, you can save yourself $40 for the year and get the VPN for a whole year for just $40, and you also get a 30-day no questions asked money back guarantee. So it's essentially just a risk-free way of you being able to change your IP address whenever you want, and then you can go ahead and actually connect to the Discord servers that you are originally banned from. So this is how IP Vanish looks when you download it. It also works on your phone or any other device that you have that connects to the internet. All you want to do is go to Quick Connect or Server List and just select one of the servers that they have. For example, I'll have a look for Hungary or something. You just click connect, and then your IP address will actually be changed so that you can go ahead and access these different Discord servers. And again, if you get banned another time while you're using one of these VPNs, what you're going to want to do is go and repeat the process that you just did. So you're going to go and log out, create a new account, then go back to your VPN, disconnect from the server you're in, change to another server, and then you will actually be able to go back into that Discord server once again. So you can just keep doing this over and over if you keep getting banned from different Discord servers. So I will leave a discount link in the description down below for IP Vanish. Again, monthly it's about $5 a month, or yearly it's about $40 a month. Whatever discounts are going on right now, or whatever the lowest price is right now, I'll be sure to update that link in the top of the description and in the pinned comment for IP Vanish. This works with most VPNs, but IP Vanish is one of the ones that works very well. It doesn't take and lag your internet connection at all, really, and it's also really affordable. So again, IP Vanish in the description down below. And if that helped you out, leave me a comment down below, let me know. Be sure to smash the like button on this video, and I'll see you in the next one.